Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Vandy, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. The time has come. It's been 6 weeks. I need to go ahead and take these braids out. I probably could have stretched them another couple of weeks, but I have more videos I need to record and post for you guys. It's been a while since I posted this video detailing how I maintain my hair in braids and how I wash my hair in braids. I figure it's about time that we do an update to that, especially because now everybody's rocking the boho knotless. It requires a little bit different care. Also, if you suffer from dandruff, dry scalp, eczema, seborrheic dermatitis like I do, then this is the video for you. But before we jump into this, I have some very exciting news. We hit 300,000 subscribers. None of this would be possible without the support of you guys. So stay tuned to the end of the video because I have something very special for you. So if you want to see how I maintain and wash my human boho braids, make sure you stay tuned. All right, we are 3 weeks in on these boho knotless braids, and I'm actually way past due washing my hair simply because I have seborrheic dermatitis. If you know, you know. It is another form of eczema which I have dealt with my entire life. For the most part, I've been able to manage all of my eczema issues with diet and supplements, but the scalp is a whole nother issue, especially during the colder months. The best way I've known to keep it under control is to cleanse my scalp at least once a week, and when I'm in braids, at least once every 2 weeks. I always start by gently exfoliating my scalp with a comb before I wash. Now before we start washing, I want to make sure I detangle my boho hair. So I'm going to grab a paddle brush and I'm going to brush it out in sections. I want to make sure I get all of the pieces, anything that might be tangled or matted. I want it all brushed out. It should look something like this. It's going to get fluffy. Cleanse my scalp. I always use a clarifying shampoo. This one is a go-to. I picked this one up because I couldn't find my regular go-to, which is the green VO5 clarifying shampoo that you find in the Dollar Tree. I can't seem to find it anywhere. I don't even know if they discontinued it. Another go-to of mine is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo and conditioner set. It's super inexpensive and does exactly what it needs to do. Y'all know I'm not a product junkie. I'm just using the products that have worked for me for years, and there's no need to break the bank for it. I make sure to shampoo my scalp at least 3 times, rinse it clean. When I'm in braids, I only let the conditioner sit for about 5 minutes and I rinse about 50% of it out. And this is an important step. I make sure to squeeze as much water out of them as much as possible before I start air drying. I like to go with a light sprayable leave-in like this. That way it doesn't weigh the boho hair down. Then I let it air dry for about 3 or 4 hours. That's why I do this on an early Saturday or Sunday morning, so I have all day to just chill and let it do its thing. Now, mousse is optional. I tend to opt out because it does tend to add to the buildup on my scalp and the buildup on the braids. I prefer the fluffy natural look. Instead, I topped off with the BioSilk Silk Therapy to coat the strands. It helps with humidity, frizz, and adds a little bit of shine. I also found after a week of using this, it has helped a lot with tangling of the boho hair. So that is a nice little tip for you. So yeah, this is your friendly reminder, friends. Wash your braids. Don't be scared. You probably spent a grip on them, sis, so let's make them last. So that's it. Pretty easy, right? Now, if you're the type of person who likes their roots to really lay flat, right after you get out of washing your hair while it's still wet, you'll want to go in with a styling or setting foam. This is going to help all of those roots and those flyaways lay down really flat. The key is to set it while it's wet and let it dry in that state. Now, if you experience scalp irritation or itchiness and redness, here are a few products that can help with that. This is the Design Essentials Detoxifying Tonic. It has eucalyptus and lemon and peppermint oil. This is a scalp and skin treatment that gently cleanses and detoxifies without water or shampooing. Helps remove dirt particles, product buildup, and excess oils that cause common scalp and skin irritation without drying it out. And you may recognize this brand from my first video, the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils collection. This one is the Refreshing Root Rinse. with aloe water and hemp oil. I've been using this one consistently in between my wash days. The entire line is perfect for braids. Not only does it help with dandruff and dry skin, it helps break up and remove a lot of buildup so that when you go to take your braids out, you don't have a whole lot of buildup to work through. Lastly, a new product that a lot of people with my condition have been using is the ordinary glycolic acid, and it's really for extensive conditions. You have really bad dry patches, really bad flaking. It helps with the overproduction of those bacteria that cause the dandruff. The only recommendation is use this sparingly. This is not something that should be a go-to. Too much of it can cause irritation, so make sure you do a patch test before you start using it. So to celebrate our 300,000 subscriber milestone, I'm hosting and sponsoring myself a giveaway. My most loyal subscribers know I am an Amazon junkie. I don't have time to go anywhere to do anything as far as shopping for myself, so everything I get off of Amazon. So why not gift you guys with a $100 Amazon gift card? I'll be selecting one winner from YouTube and one winner from Instagram. Giveaway starts right now and will end in 1 week, Sunday, November 10th at midnight. And here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have to be a subscriber to the channel. Rule number 2, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that like button. And rule number 3, leave a comment below and let me know why you decided to hit that subscribe button. We will choose a winner from the comments below, and I'll announce the winner in the next video. For the last couple of months, I have been an emotional wreck for a myriad of reasons, but this is one thing that has been a sunshine in the rain. So thank you all for your continued love and support. I am more than happy to give back to the community that supports me and my mission. I only hope that you guys continue to pay it forward. Good luck to everyone who participates in the giveaway, and don't forget, we're doing this same giveaway over on Instagram. So as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.